Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tech Insider. Today we have 5 incredible stories from 5 completely different industries. From autonomous drones to the future of gaming. Let's get into it. First up. AI-powered drones are now managing entire smart cities autonomously. Cities around the world are deploying fleets of AI-powered drones that handle everything from traffic monitoring and emergency response to package delivery and infrastructure inspection. Singapore's AI drone network reduced traffic congestion by 28% in its first 6 months. Next. The new AI cybersecurity Cold War, nations deploy autonomous digital weapons. Cybersecurity has escalated from corporate concern to national security crisis. State-sponsored AI hackers are launching autonomous attacks that adapt in real time, learning from defenses as they strike. Story 3. AI-driven 3D printers are building rockets, homes, and human organs. AI has supercharged 3D printing to levels that sound like science fiction. Relativity Space is using AI-optimized 3D printers to build entire rockets with 100 times fewer parts than traditional manufacturing. Number 4. AI is now designing video games that play differently for every single player. The gaming industry is being transformed by AI that creates personalized experiences in real time. Roblox recently launched an AI system that generates entire game worlds from text descriptions, and 22% of its top experiences now use AI-generated content. And finally, AI-optimized energy grids are making renewable power actually viable at scale. The biggest problem with renewable energy has always been reliability. Solar and wind are intermittent. Google's DeepMind reduced its data center energy consumption by 40% using AI predictions. That's all for today. Subscribe for daily AI updates. See you tomorrow.